Faster installs, less fatigue, more profit. Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? When it comes to screeding efficiently, that brings up a big question. One man or two? Here's the deal. Most guys are still doing it the hard way. Wasting time, wrecking their backs, losing money with every pass. In this video, I'm going to show you a smarter way to screed, whether you're out there solo or running large crews. Manual screeding, it's one of the toughest parts of the job. You're on your knees, your back's on fire, progress feels slow. If you're running a crew, every wasted minute is money out the door. Time is your most valuable asset, and this is where most contractors are losing it. Let's start with the Quickie Screeder package. Hands down, the best one-man screed option on the market. You screed standing up, you're not crawling in the dirt, no more wrecked knees. It comes with 3 interchangeable blades, a 3-foot, a 4.5, and a 6-foot. So you can cover serious ground fast and get clean, consistent finish each and every time. The angle blade gives you a strong down pressure, and that rolled back edge, it fills voids like a pro. It's lightweight, rugged, it's efficient. Once you use it, I promise you'll never go back. It doesn't get much easier than that. Now, if you're running larger crews, take a look at this. The Optima's mini screed system. It adjusts up to 13 foot 9 inches. This thing covers serious square footage with surgical precision. Less bending over, fewer passes, time saved. The greatest advantage of the mini screed allows you to load a large amount of material, whether it be bedding or base, drag it out by hand or with a machine, fast, efficient. It's modular, it's lightweight, sets up fast, moves easy from job to job. Whether you're laying a walkway or knocking out full-size driveways, it gives you clean, level base every time. And let's be real, it pays for itself by making your crew faster and more efficient. One man, two man, it doesn't matter. The goal stays the same. Faster installs, less fatigue, and more profit. Both of these tools are built to take the pain out of prep and put more money back in your pocket. Stop working like it's 1995. Whether you're working solo or running multiple crews, it's time to work smarter. Check out the Quickie Screeder package or the mini screed system at pavetool.com or check out your local dealer. These tools are not an expense. It's an investment that pays you back job after job after job. Please drop a comment below, and remember, whether you're a one-man crew or running a team, let's take the hard out of hardscaping. You can sign up for our tip of the week here,
or you can watch more of our videos here.
You can subscribe to our YouTube channel here,
and make sure you shop our products at pavetool.com.
If you're located in Canada, you can shop at pavetool.ca.
Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to seeing you next Friday.